Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into Cleo, the sassy AI-powered budgeting app that's shaking up how people manage their money. Is it worth the download? Let's find out. Cleo's main draw, it makes budgeting feel fun. Yeah, you heard me right. It's like having a financially savvy bestie who isn't afraid to roast you, and it does it all through a chatbot interface straight from your favorite social media app or the Cleo app itself. First up, the budgeting features. Cleo helps you set spending categories, track transactions, and even alerts you when you are well spending like a maniac. And it's all automated, which makes adulting a little easier. But Cleo's personality steals the show. Enter roast mode if you've got a thick skin. Cleo will call you out in bad spending habits with brutal honesty, hilariously reminding you that maybe, just maybe, you didn't need 3 iced lattes yesterday. The app also has saving challenge, making saving money feel like a game. You can automate small transfers to your Clio wallet, perfect for emergency funds or guilt-free splurge. Plus, Clio keeps it motivational with cheeky rewards. Now, let's talk price. The free version is solid, but for features like cashback deals, custom categories, and deeper financial insights, you will need Clio Plus, which costs about $5.99 a month. Is it worth it? Depends on how much you value the motivation. Clio is a perfect for Gen Z and millennials who want a mix of budgeting sass and simplicity. It's not a full-on financial planner, but it's fun and effective for day-to-day money management. So, should you download it? If you are tired of boring budgeting apps, Clio's fresh approach might be exactly what you need to keep your finances in check and have a laugh while doing it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.